Hello everybody, Mother Airport Nation here, and it's always an exciting day when you get a shipment from Layover Layouts. So, jam-packed in here, I got about, 4 or 5 layouts in here. As you guys can see, here are the layouts inside. Alright guys, here we go. Let's roll it out. Whoa, look at that. So you got ATL right there. Kona. All right. Looking good. Holy cow. All right, so I'm gonna give you guys a look here. Here is ATL F Concourse. As you guys can see, all the different details here. I was gonna add the runway as well, but I would have had enough space for it, but it would have been just like too much money and time to wait for it, I guess, to say. So since it was already created for another customer, wasn't too bad in price to say. So here's a gate here, look at that. Even nicely numbered. I'll be putting my control tower here from Tarmac Designs, as well as a terminal that is already printed and on the way from Custom Airports Australia. So can't wait for that. I can finally start showing off ATL. So stay tuned, guys, stay tuned. Next up, we have a small section of MSP that I will be putting my terminal on here. So that's gonna look really cool. Here it is. Part of Concourse G. I will be doing a large part of MSP from the overlayouts down the road, so stay tuned. This is just to get me by for the meantime. Lots of detail here as well. Very cool. All right, here's a look at Kona, Hawaii. Absolutely beautiful. Now I know this is like an older image, I guess to say, because the satellite has updated and things are new. Like there's a wide body spot here, and there's like a, no gates in the middle here anymore, but that's okay. We can go back to the older days. It's still like Hawaii, and it still gets the point across for the Kona airport. So I have little huts that I'm gonna be putting on here. Also, Custom Airports Australia is making me a terminal for this. So stay tuned for that, everybody. Kona, Hawaii. Let's give you guys close. Part 717s here. Look at that. Super awesome. Can't wait. And last up here we have 1:400 scale at the Delta terminal at Boston Logan. So I always thought this was a really cool layout. Super excited to get some terminals for this and get this airport into action. So stay tuned, everybody. Give you guys a little close up here of the different gates. Yep, so the A gates, and I believe, yep, all A gates here. Thought it was A and B, but it's all A. Looks like these gates are quite interesting too. All right, guys, here's MSP set up. You guys can see the G gates here. Been my lifelong dream to do an MSP model airport, and this is just a little bit of it, but you know, probably in about a year we'll have the full airport probably, so very excited for that. Shout out to Chris at Layover Layouts and Tarmac Designs, Andy at Tarmac Designs Indiana for this amazing Concourse G terminal. So everything's not perfect yet. I'm kind of putting everything up here still, so, but here it is. And then I have ATL Concourse F right over here. I've kind of wanted more layouts so I can just show you guys different airports and kind of rotate them around. Works a lot better for me than just doing one giant layout. It just takes forever, but it's still fun to do that too though. And then here's Kona. Obviously it's not set up yet. So disclaimer, not set up yet, but really cool. Already got the Neo on there, as well as the United 737 and some of the smaller Jetson models vehicles here, as well as some of the Herpa planes. These are 1/500 scale, I believe, but they still look pretty cool. These are from Herpa. But yeah, guys, very excited. I'll get some of the other layouts going too. So, you know, just stay tuned. I appreciate you guys supporting me. And I'll do a video on each of these layouts later this week / next week. So stay tuned. Already looking pretty realistic. I'd like to wish you guys a safe year here and happy collecting. We'll see you guys soon.